clear tu te chibai le vekule Mizoram chung le pon sawrkar Hnaruak dil theite kan en ho le dona kan rei boka tun chung chu kan lor khom le deuh chau dona ni Mizoram chung sawrkar Hnaruak kan soi ma in Delhi Home Guard Hnaruak hi clear ho masa ila Delhi Home Guard Hnaruak song za thi post sing khat zani somriat le panga ani a lo hi sing ni le sanga thlatin ani dona ni dil theite class 10 class 12 pass chin kumsom ni atanga somli le panga inkar ani turani a ex serviceman tan class 10 pass atoka fresher tan chonin class 12 pass ni angai ni Delhi resident Delhi khwale tui tan big chau khan dil thei ani a zo hnathawk Delhi citizenship Delhi khwale tui ni thei tan khanin dil thei ani don ani Delhi citizenship nei lo tan chuan dil arem chang ve don lavani selection process syllabus kim chang chu advertisement a chiang zokin kan lo endon nia apply dan tur online atanga apply turani a form fill up link hi hemi video description a hian kada a kan lo check out don nia Mizoram chung Hnaruak khan lor khom le tranila pakhatna chuanin ECHS polyclinic aizol Mizoram Hnaruak posting na hmun hi aizola le lungleya te ani dona post somni le pathum arwakani OIC polyclinic post pahni medical officer post pahni dental officer pahni lab technician pahni nursing assistant pahni pharmacist pahni dental ATH pahni data entry operator pakhat aizol a chawkhanin omdona driver pahni female attendant pahni chokidar pahni safai wala pahni arwakani lo hi OIC polyclinic medical officer dental officer singsari sangan lo dona lab technician nursing assistant pharmacist le dental ATH te khanin thlatin singni sangriat le zan lo dona data entry operator driver singkha sang kwale sari female attendant chokidar safai wala khanin thlatin singkha sang ruk le zariat an lo dona ni thiam nangai te video kan post sanga tuna screen kan muang hianin chiang zokin kan lo en thei dona ni advertisement lama khan chiang zokin a en thei don bokani deal dan tur application form le document poimo dang te hi an website www.echs.gov.in a mu thei ani a tin chiang du tan ECHS station headquarters aizol contact number 7962981043 a le 9914370311 a te zo fia thei reng ani bokani email lama bepop du te tan aisolstn@gmail.com a zo fia thei ani bokani dilna form hi post office a thonin February somni le pali sahni le somni le pali ral ma ngein ECHS office a thlengman turani personal interview hi March ninga le niruka nei ani dona interview mun chu ECHS station headquarters aizol ani donani advertisement lama khan chiang zokin kan lo bi chiang don nia panina chuanin disaster management and rehabilitation department Hnaruak LDC PE post pakhat arwaka lo hi 50% off pay level 4 ani donani singkha sangruk zakwale somni ani donani anghe huna pay level 4 singni sanga zanga tanga singa sangruk le zariat khami pay level kha an hlo thei donani thiam nangai te class 12 pass MSCTE nwaya DCA CCA computer certificate nei ni turani a typing speed 30 watts per minute an thiam turani a Mizoram middle school standard chintal kha thiam angai bokani deal tu chukum som pariat atanga somthum le pasar inkar ani turani a STSC tan somli le pahni thleng ngai na thiam na omdonani deal dan tur application form hi disaster management and rehabilitation directorate chon pui aizola office hun chungin lak chhuat thei ani a tin department website dmr.mizoram.gov.in atangin download thei ani don bokani dilna form hi February somni le pakwa thleng submit thei ani dona application fee STSC tan zale somnga general tan cheng zani choi angai bokani pathumna chuanin Sainik School Chingchip Mizoram Hnaruak LDC regular post pakhat TGT contract basis in post pakhat arwakani lo LDC regular level 2 singkha sangkwa zakwa tanga singruk sangthum le zani inkar an hlonga TGT contract basis singli thakata fix ani donani thiam nangai te en leila video hi seidona wangin tihian screen ami hi kan lo pau sanga kan tala nang hian kan lo enanga video hi kan post anga chiang zokin kan hmu thei don ani deal dan tur deal na form hi Sainik School website ta download thei ani a download ting chu hemi video description a hian oma kan lo en chiang don nia deal na form hi speed post a thon tur ani a address the principal Sainik School Chingchip Village District Serchip pin 796161 a khan address a thon tur ani last date chu advertisement ti chu atanga ni som ni le pakhat chung chu February ni som le pathum vel kha last date ani don ani hrechiang du tan chuanin contact number 7630010072 a biak po mai tur ani e palina chuanin Mizoram State AIDS Control Society M6 Hnaruak Medical Officer ART Center post pahni posting na hmun hi Civil Hospital Lungleya le Champhaya te ani a Medical Officer OST Center post pakhat leng pui PHC a ani dona Deputy Director CST post pakhat M6 Officer posting turani a Staff Nurse ART Center post pakhat Arwaka Civil Hospital Lungleya posting Data Manager ART Center post pakhat Kulikon Hospital Aizola te posting ani dona ni lo an en le ta ila Medical Officer ART Center Medical Officer OST Center thlakata singsari le sangnin lo dona Deputy Director CST Singa Sangruk Zaruk le Somriat Staff Nurse ART Center thlakata singni le sangkhat Data Manager thlakata singni le sangkhat an lo dona ni selection process written exam le personal interview hi a mai theya M6 Officer emo website lama khan thu chiang zo kan lo ngai ven thin donia deal dan tur en leila application form hi M6 website mizoram6.org emo M6 project director office aram hlun not aizola form lak chu thei ania last day chu February somle paruk ani donani pangana an hnungbera NIT Mizoram Hnaruak junior accountant contract post pahni senior project associate post pakhat project associate post pakhat scientific administrative assistant post pakhat te arwaka lo hi junior accountant contract thakata singthum sanga senior project associate singli sangni le HRA house rent allowance khatel dona project associate singthum sang khat le HRA scientific administrative assistant singkha sangriat baka khan HRA kha atel donani kumbithlia deal dan tur kim changle selection process ta chu advertisement lama khan chiang zokin kan lo en maidonia advertisement download link chu mi video description a hian kada boke